Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2024 question 2. This is a diagram-based trigonometry question involving two right triangles that share the same vertical height. We are given a triangle, ABD. Points A, C, and D lie on the same straight horizontal line, and BD is vertical. We are told that length of AC equals 50 centimeters, and length of CD equals D cm. The angle at A is 30 degrees, the angle at C is 70 degrees, and the angle at D is a right angle. We are asked to find the value of D and then find length of BD, both correct to one decimal place. First, draw the horizontal ground line and mark the starting points from the problem statement. Next, draw the vertical pole from the foot on the ground. The pole is perpendicular to the ground. Join the observer to the top of the pole and mark the given angle of elevation and distance. Now place the other point on the pole and draw the second line of sight with its given distance. Finally, label all the points clearly so the finished diagram matches the question. This is the diagram. The base is split into two parts. Length of AC equals 50 centimeters, and length of CD equals D cm. The first important observation is that the whole base, length of AD, is made up of length of AC and length of CD. Since length of AC equals 50 centimeters and length of CD equals D cm, we have length of AD equals 50 plus D. The height, length of BD, is shared by the large triangle, ABD, and the smaller triangle, BCD. First, focus on the large right triangle, ABD. With respect to the 30 degrees angle at A, the opposite side is length of BD, and the adjacent side is length of AD equals 50 plus D. So we use tangent. Using tangent in triangle ABD, we write tan of 30 degrees equals length of BD over length of AD. So from the large triangle, length of BD equals 50 plus D tan of 30 degrees. Now focus on the smaller right triangle, BCD. With respect to the 70 degrees angle at C, the opposite side is length of BD, and the adjacent side is length of CD equals D. So we use tangent again. Using tangent in triangle BCD, we write tan of 70 degrees equals length of BD over length of CD. So from the smaller triangle, length of BD equals D tan of 70 degrees. Length of BD equals 50 plus D tan of 30 degrees. Length of BD equals D tan of 70 degrees. Both equations describe the same length, length of BD, so we can equate the two expressions. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we solve this equation for D. Expand the left side, collect the terms involving D, and then factor out D. So, D equals 13.3022 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. 13.3022 becomes 13.3. Therefore, D equals 13.3 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. 50 plus D tan of 30 degrees equals D tan of 70 degrees. 50 tan of 30 degrees plus D tan of 30 degrees equals D tan of 70 degrees. 50 tan of 30 degrees equals D tan of 70 degrees D tan of 30 degrees. 50 tan of 30 degrees equals d, tan of 70 degrees, tan of 30 degrees. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. D equals 50 tan of 30 degrees over tan of 70 degrees, tan of 30 degrees. D equals 50, 0.5774 over 2.7475 meters sinus 0.5774. D equals 28.8675 over 2.1701. D equals 13.3022 centimeters. $13.3022 goes to 13.3. This equation is the next step in the calculation. Now we solve this equation for d. Expand the left side, collect the terms involving d, and then factor out d. So, d equals 13.3022 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. 13.3022 becomes 13.3. Therefore, d equals 13.3 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. To find length of BD, we can use the simpler equation from triangle BCD. We use the unrounded value of d for better accuracy. So, length of BD equals 36.5501 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. 36.5501 becomes 36.6. Therefore, length of BD equals 36.6 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. Length of AC equals 50 centimeters. Length of CD equals D, cm. D equals 13.3 centimeters. Length of BD equals 36.6 centimeters. The final answers are D equals 13.3 centimeters and length of BD equals 36.6 centimeters, both correct to one decimal place. This framed result is the final answer for the question. To summarize, the whole base of a large triangle is 50 plus d. From triangle ABD, we expressed length of BD in terms of d. From triangle BCD, we wrote another expression for the same length of BD. Equating the two expressions gave d equals 13.3 centimeters. Then we used d to find length of BD equals 36.6 centimeters. Exam tip. If two triangles share the same side, write two expressions for that side. Length of BD equals 50 plus d tan of 30 degrees. Length of BD equals d tan of 70 degrees. Keep units consistent. Identify the two right triangles. Use tangent in each triangle. Equate the common height. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.